He's biting me. Ah! Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we're actually going to try some Amazon best-selling cat toys on my cat. This is such a different video. So I actually got inspiration from Roxoros, I think. She buys Wish toys, but I just couldn't be bothered with Wish. Like, I just went on Amazon and got some Amazon ones because they just get here like the next day. So I bought a bunch of stuff, and do you know what? My cats have been so interactive lately. I might give this a go because before they didn't really care about toys. I feel like I need to fix my hair. You know when your hair is just like in that oily phase? If ever in doubt, just do a middle parting. I mean, it's lockdown, okay? Ain't nobody got time to be looking glamorous every day, all day, wearing slippers, socks, and that's how it is. Just ignore the hair, guys. Today's video is all about the cats, okay? We got one here, so this is Chichi, and yeah, he's very tired right now. I had to get the treats out because like sometimes they're just like, I can't be asked. Look, Chichi's here. Let's introduce the cats, shall we? Come here. This is Chichi. He's huge. I think he's a Norwegian forest cat. I'm not too sure, to be honest. But he was given to me when he was a little baby. They're old now, my cats. They're like 8 years old. And then we have little Bubby Sky, who's right here. They're like, what's going on? What's going on, huh? She's like my little baby, guys. She's my little baby. Huh? You guys have seen her before. She's such a cutie pie and she's so tiny compared to Chichi. So she's Sky and we have Chichi, who's a boy. She's a little girl. Do you want some treats? You want some treats? Huh? He loves these. Look at this. Look at this. Gentle. I do have a bunch of toys in here. Chichi. I don't know if he likes it. Yeah, to demolish the toy, you know how to do that, mate, don't you? Oh, he got it with his paw. So yeah, I don't know, like, I can see him playing with this, but he's not too interested right now. This is the one I've been dying to try because I don't know how they react to catnip. So I got them this stuff on Amazon. It was like £6. Here you go. Chichi. They're like so uninterested. People. Oh my god. He's biting me. Ah! Ah! What the hell's wrong with you? Oh my god. This is so... What the hell's going on, people? Chichi? Oh my god. Okay, let's try Sky. Shall we try Sky? Sky, do you want to try this? No, wait, you go. Ah! He's never acted like this before. This is some bloody dangerous stuff. Oh my god, he's going crazy. He's going crazy over there. I'm so shocked right now. Okay, let's try Sky. Let's take a bit for her. Put some on the floor. She definitely likes it, but Gigi, he's the crazy one. Look at this. He's like bloody drugged up right now. Why is he biting me? Ah! Bye. Okay, they're drugged up. They're drugged up. Look at them. One's over there rolling up in the background. Oh my god. I didn't even read the instructions. Give your furry friend a special treat with this play-friendly catnip from the open fields of our sustainable farm at Bush Willow Estate, South Africa. It's hand-grown and hand-picked by a team of family farmers working side by side to nurture and cultivate the finest quality plants, so you can give your cats the treats they deserve. So they like this, but why is he trying to bite me? Oh my god. This boy was biting me. Do you know what? She would never do that, except if I'm like trying to like cut her nails. But like him, he's just so content. Like he's like got his eyes half open. Gigi, are you happy? He's just so happy right now, guys. Boy, you better not scratch me. What about you, Sky? What's your verdict on the catnip? What's your verdict? Oh, she loves it. Oh my goodness. Guys, they look like two drugged up cats. I don't know what it does to them, but clearly something's happening. Sky has been obsessed with birds. So, like, when I tell you she's obsessed with birds, she's obsessed with birds. So, like, she's gonna come, like, she's over there right now. This has sound. So I got her this, like, little bird thing. It's got catnip in here too. I think Chichi's on a high and he's had enough. Does she like it? Uh-oh. Is she trying to kill it? You savage. Oh my god, you try to put, oh my god, I would pay someone like £100 to put your hand in that right now. You know when they start kicking with their back legs? She's trying to get up there too. But yeah, with a bit of a catnip, I guess this toy is a pass. He loves it, look at him. I just went to go screw some batteries in here. And why is there dribble all over the floor? And my cats have been possessed. Titi! Oh, he loves it! Oh my god! It literally imitates a butterfly. Oh my god. Like, he's definitely loving the toys. Sky, I think her favorite one is I think it's the birdie toy for sure, but this is so good. Like, I would rate that a 10 out of 10. Like, it literally imitates a butterfly. Is it time to test the next one? What's this? Oh, this is their laser. I don't think Chichi likes the laser that much, but I know Sky does. Oh my god, she bloody slapped the door. So I think she likes the laser for sure. But she's not really interested in it right now. And then I got this huge set. There's so much in here. But I mainly got it for like the tunnel. This was really affordable on Amazon, to be honest, but you get so much. There's this. We got a fish. I guess you get a bag to put everything in there. Yeah, there's a lot in here. Let's see if she likes this. What's that, Sky? Let's see if I can put this wire thing in there. Sky loves like everything like tunnel, because we used to have one but it got demolished by our dog Luna, but she loved her tunnel that she had before. Chichi is just over there in the corner minding his own business. We'll get the treats out. Oh, Sky. Oh. He's very smart. He's like, I can't fit in his hole. Oh, Chichi, I know you're tired. This is very, very hard work, isn't it? Sky definitely loves it. She's still in there. I don't know if you guys can see her. Is that your little home? Oh, you love it. Oh, Sky. My bumsies. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This has got to be by far one of my most favorite videos that I filmed. Like, this was so fun. Like, I love seeing their reaction. They're like my little babies, guys. Can you come down with Luna quickly? And get my sister here, Luna. I'm gonna see. Chichi. Oh, Luna. Do you like it? Oh my god, he went crazy. Chichi. Look, even she's going crazy with it. Love this one. Luna, Luna. Ah! Let it fly, let it fly. Luna, me, my baby. Get it, get it, get it. It literally looks like a butterfly, doesn't it? Mm. Yeah, the catnip is safe for dogs. You're pointing at that. I think this is her. She wants the butterfly. She wants the butterfly. I think that's her favourite toy as well. Look at me back. Look, what's this? Luna loves lasers.
They're meant to eat it.
They like to eat it too.
Oh! Oh my god!
What's that, Luna? What's that, birdie? Is that birdie? Oh, she just went through it. Yeah, she lost that. It's just like when I don't know where to put the tunnel if I keep it. It's so big. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want me to try some more stuff on them, let me know. Give this video a like, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.